Hi, it's Eva here at Stafford Land Rover. Today I'm going to be taking you around the approved used Land Rover Defender 110 D250 XS Edition. This vehicle features a 3-litre diesel engine which is seamlessly mated to an automatic gearbox and is seen here today in Santorini black. Let's start our journey from the front of this Defender, where we'll find the Matrix LED headlights with our signature daytime running lights, ensuring a sharper view of the world ahead along with increased road presence. Cascading down the side we'll see further features, all are courtesy of the XS Edition exterior pack, such as your black contrast roof, black roof rails, black bonnet louvers, as it sits proudly on a set of 20-inch diamond turned alloys with a gloss dark grey contrast. Venturing to the rear, you'll also notice the rear privacy glass, ensuring all contents and passengers are safe from prying eyes, as well as the rear LED tail lights. Opening the side hinge tailgate reveals a vast and versatile amount of boot space. Looking to your left, you'll see easy to access controls for your electronically deployable tow bar, as well as your electronic air suspension. You'll also notice there's load space rubber matting, perfect for a canine companion or even a set of tools. As we now venture to the rear of this vehicle, rear passengers will certainly be impressed with the comfort and quality of their ebony perforated winter leather seats. You'll also notice a vast amount of space within the rear. Glimpsing into the cockpit now will reveal your 12-way heated and cooled electric memory front seats, ensuring every journey is as comfortable as the last. Let's take a closer look now at the view that greets the driver, where you'll see your leather heated multifunctional steering wheel, which offers a sleek design with a wide array of features at your disposal, such as your lane keep assist and your adaptive cruise control. In front of you, you'll see your fully digital display, which can harbour key information such as your trip computer, your sat nav and your speed. Advancing over now to your Pivi Pro touchscreen, which as you can see is fully interactive, features Apple CarPlay, Android Auto and provides great detail about your vehicle and its surroundings, such as your 360 parking aid and your 3D surround camera, where you'll also be able to access your electrically deployable tow bar from within your entertainment screen, which is perfect for navigating and parking this large SUV. You'll also be able to access your heated and cooled seat functions, as well as further climate control functions, which both driver and passenger can tailor their own individual preferences from within your entertainment screen, as well as easy to access dials below, where you'll also be able to access further terrain response systems and vehicle dynamics within this vehicle. Looking down into the centre console, you see USB ports, compatible devices, twin cup holders with a cover and a wireless charging pad. You'll also be impressed with your front centre console refrigerator compartment. And to finalise our journey, we look up to see your fully sliding panoramic sunroof, which will engross this vehicle in natural light. This has been a presentation of the approved used Land Rover Defender 110 XS Edition, which is now available to purchase at our dealership. For more information on this vehicle, do not hesitate to contact our friendly sales team today. Thank you for watching, and we can't wait to help you find your next Land Rover.